So I got the primer on it. Got a feeling we're going to end up needing more primer. See, I've used about 2 1/4 quarts altogether to spray all of the engine bay, all that out there on both sides, then the front and back side of the radiator support, and down inside the frame rails on both sides, and up underneath inside the transmission tunnel a little ways, and the top of the cowl. So anyway, I sprayed this using that faster activator. I'm going to use it first on all these smaller areas, and I'll use the slower drying stuff on the quarter panel, the roof, and the hood and the trunk. Hopefully the hood and trunk are usable. Like I've talked about before, it had got an awful amount of rust underneath it. I've ground a lot of it off of there. As I've showed before, from the looks of it, you see that amber or goldish looking tint right there? I'm thinking that's some kind of wash primer. Some DuPont, I think PPG, I know several manufacturers that have an acid etch primer they call a wash primer, and it's a transparent yellow like that, or amber color. It looks like that maybe what he sprayed all over the top of this, but you've seen the video I showed before. I mean, there was just a god-awful amount of rust underneath all this, and like up there you can see that's the kind of stuff the guy painted over. It's just all under this hood and all back there too. Hopefully it's not on the rest of the car. The quarter panels weren't that way. I've taken them down to the bare metal. I've done that all the way up to about right there, and they looked good underneath. So knock on wood, the rest of the car will be the same way. But so I got the primer on it. I'll take some pictures and upload all them. And it primed all underneath there. Got some couple pinholes right up in there I gotta fill up. That one's a pretty good size one. 2 of them actually. But it is what it is. At least I catch them now before I get paint on it. I hear the rain falling outside, so time for me to cut this one short. Get all my stuff inside the shop and shut the shop down and go inside and clean up. So, once again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell to get all the updates. Thanks.